Imagine opening your fridge and seeing a week's worth of delicious, ready-to-eat meals. Meal prepping is the ultimate life hack for anyone looking to simplify their weekly routine, save money, and eat healthier. It involves planning, preparing, and storing meals in advance, which can drastically reduce your cooking time during the week. Start by selecting recipes that you enjoy and can easily batch cook. Write a grocery list based on these recipes to ensure efficiency when you shop. Choose a day, often Sunday, designated for cooking, where you can devote a few hours to prepare meals for the week ahead. Cook grains, chop vegetables, and portion proteins into containers. This not only keeps your meals organized, but also helps prevent impulsive food choices that can lead to overspending. Storing meals in clear containers allows for easy visibility, which can encourage healthier eating habits. Additionally, meal prepping can help reduce food waste, as you're using ingredients purposefully. By investing time into meal prepping, you'll save money and promote a healthier lifestyle while making your week much more manageable.